Tonight, deep in the woods, a witcher rests by the fire. His name is Geralt of Rivia, a hunter of monsters and a man who trusts steel more than magic. But destiny doesn't rest. A strange light moves through the trees, red and alive. She comes from another world, a priestess of fire called Melisandre. She believes the flame can see the future. He believes only in his sword. When they meet, fire and frost will speak the same language. Let's listen. Talk pop, learn easy.
Easy, Roach. It's just the wind.
That's not the wind.
I mean you no harm, Witcher.
That's what monsters say before they attack.
I'm no monster. I serve the Lord of Light.
Never heard of him. Does he pay for monster contracts?
He pays with truth and with fire.
Truth burns worse than silver sometimes.
You are tired, Witcher, but rest will not save you. Darkness walks in your world and mine.
I deal with darkness every day. Tell me what you want, priestess.
You don't believe in destiny, do you?
Destiny? I believe in contracts. They end when the monster dies.
Some monsters wear human faces. Some are older than men, older than steel.
You speak like a priest. Too many words, not enough answers.
The white frost is coming, Witcher. It is not only cold, it's death itself.
Winter comes every year. I'll wear a thicker coat.
You joke, but the frost I saw devours worlds. I've seen it in my flames, cities frozen, stars fading, and one girl running through it all with power in her blood.
A girl?
She can open doors between worlds. She carries both frost and fire inside her. She is your destiny.
I don't have destiny, only trouble.
Then trouble is the name of your fate.
You speak of gods and prophecies, but they never fight. People die, steel breaks. That's the truth I know.
Truth and faith are not enemies. They are fire and shadow. They need each other to exist.
Sounds like a priest trying to sell a sermon.
I don't sell faith, Witcher. I give warning. When the fire calls, you will know.
And what if I don't answer?
Then the frost will answer for you. Keep it. It may burn one day, when destiny finds you again.
Flames, prophecies, destiny, all the same trouble.
And yet you keep the fire close.
Roach. Remind me never to camp near priests again.
So, what happened tonight? Geralt met Melisandre, a priestess from another world. She spoke of the white frost, a power that freezes all life. And she told him about a girl with fire in her blood, Ciri. Geralt doesn't believe in destiny, but he still keeps the flame she gave him. Maybe, deep down, he believes more than he says. Let's look at some useful expressions from this story. I mean you no harm. I'm not here to hurt you. Never heard of him. I don't know that person or name. Tell me what you want. Direct and serious, perfect in tense moments. When the fire calls. A poetic way to say when destiny comes. Did you know the White Frost is a real prophecy in The Witcher 3? And Melisandre's Lord of Light also fights cold and darkness in Game of Thrones? So when they meet, it's like two worlds, ice and fire, finally talking. Great job, Witchers and students of English. If you understood this story, your English is on fire. Subscribe and join the next adventure. Talk Pop, learn easy.